friends. I'm super excited about where we're going in doTERRA. Yesterday we had a call, the Diamond Plus leaders of doTERRA with corporate, where we learned what doTERRA is building upon. As far as last year, they launched the awesome MetaPower line to help enhance metabolic health, and we are continuing to build off of that. With that being said, what's going to be coming is going to blend beautifully with the power of the essential oils and the supplements that we already have. We each have a microbiome, right? Well, actually, we have multiple microbiomes. We have different microbiome populations on different parts of our body. So anything that touches the outside world is covered with microbiome. And that means not only our gut, right, which is where most people think of, what they think of when they hear the word microbiome, but also our eyes have a separate microbiome, our ears, our nose, our respiratory system, our skin, they all contain microbiome. As humans, we are comprised of about 70 trillion cells, and approximately half of those cells that we are comprised of are microbiome. They're other organisms. They're not actually human cells. And our microbiome affects how our organs, our endocrines, everything plays out. There was a scholarly article, a scholarly magazine, Science, where there were two mice. Dr. Osgothorpe spoke to this. Two mice, and one of them was obese and the other one was a healthy weight. And the only difference between these two mice was their microbiome. That goes to show you how microbiome can impact weight and all sorts of other biochemical processes going on within the body and mind. When we have a healthy microbiome, it doesn't allow in the unhealthy bacteria or microbiome. And with improved microbiome comes better rest, sleep, exercise. All of these things improve. And as we age, there tends to be a decrease in quality microbiome. And that's what leads to a lot of problems as we age. We need to take care of our microbiome daily. It's like if you had a garden that you were growing vegetables in, and it was 90 to 100 degrees every single day, and you only watered it once a week, your garden would not thrive, right? It needs to be watered daily. What that means is the products that are coming to help support microbiome are something that you need to use daily. Our Lifelong Vitality Pack supplements, those are our micronutrients. And then doTERRA added to it macronutrients, which is the MetaPower system. And now we're adding to that the microbiome aspect. Alex DeBell went on, he then took over in the call, and he shared with us that in 2009 was when PB Assist was the dual chamber product delivery system was launched. That's patented by doTERRA, and that was designed to support our overall wellness, and it impacts our mental health as well. However, they are upgrading both PB Assist Junior and the PB Assist. It's going to be double the number of strains and triple the number of colony forming units, and it's going to have a higher absorption rate. So this is really exciting where doTERRA is going. It will no longer be a junior stick. It will be a stick that's for the entire family. How much easier can it get, right, than to just tip it into your mouth? PB always stood for, initially, pre and probiotics, and now it's going to stand for probiome products that are going to be coming at convention. It will still be a dual chamber capsule. There's going to be 3 trainings that are up and coming on July 24th at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. There is Why Your Microbiome Matters. August 8th, 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, how to support microbiome health. And at August 15th, 1 p.m., how to choose a quality microbiome supplement are for everyone, not just you. So invite your friends, invite other people that are within your teams, and you can register with the QR code that I'll have at the end of this presentation. Emily Wright then went on to share how this product is going to impact the gut-brain axis, how that will be affected. It is super clean ingredients. It's going to help with sleep, and she's really encouraged us to invite our teams, customers, to come learn and to be informed about what's coming at convention. And get your convention tickets and be out here live. If you're here live for convention, you'll change.